Ladies and gentlemen, so how do you compress your documents? For me, at Gomzo Technologies, I'll tell you, I use an online tool called ILovePDF. So, if you're new to it, the only thing you need to do is to log on to Google and search ILovePDF. So that will open the search results, and you'll see the URL www.ilovepdf.com. So you can see, as you can see, it has a lot of functionalities: merge PDF, split PDF. So for their search engine optimization, what they have decided to show these few tools. But if you get into it, ilovepdf.com, you see they have a bunch of functionalities. But today I'll just be showing you how to compress PDFs. So you can see merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, edit PDF. Then a bunch of, you can watermark, you can rotate, a bunch of utilities. You can even redact. That is extremely interesting. You can compare, you can repair. They have a whole host of tools. So today I'll be focused on compressing a PDF. Compressing is reducing the size of a PDF. This could be to beta validation, to make your document upload efficient and easy. So what I'll do, you can see here, it's a form that you're supposed to upload a file for compression. So the other bit is that your file could be a PDF from Google Drive or from Dropbox. So what you need to do for this instance, I have a local file in my computer, so I'll use the big red button, select PDF files. I'll go to my PC. I have a file which is around 1.5 MB, and I want to shrink it and see what that size will be. So what I'll do, I can either create two windows by pressing on the right. I can use a split screen. So what I've done, I've used Control right arrow to do the ILovePDF on the right, and the Windows plus left arrow to place my file manager on the other end. So what I'll do, I'll drop a PDF. I like dragging and dropping. So you can see you can drop anywhere in that particular page. So see, that is my document, and then I'll click compress. So I want us to see the size of that particular document. Once it completes doing this, so depending on the size of the document, the time could vary. If the document is large, it will take a little bit more time. Also, your network latency, depending on how fast your upload download speeds are, that could affect the way it performs. And this is always the case when you're using online gateways for any processing workloads. So you can see it is done, and it tells you it has shrunk the PDF by 52%. And we'll see where we'll confirm that because it should be around 600-700 MB, KB. So I want to place it in the same directory. So this is to place it here, so I don't have to labor too much. I can just copy that, and also come and click there and copy that, place it in there, save. Exactly. So you can see the first one is 1600 KB, about 1.5 MB. So this other one is about half of that, 783. Well, what now? That completes this tutorial. It was a utility tutorial. I thought it's sometimes interesting to share less serious items, utilities, especially anything that would make your computing easier. Goons open source technologies, we are always here to share, and we will continue sharing. Next, I think we will be sharing quite a tutorial, a huge tool, open source tool, and I hope you will enjoy. Thank you.